Hi, and welcome back to Trailer Park Mom. Yes, Trailer Park Mom's got a TikTok unboxing. Yeah, I did. So we got these right here. These are for healthy, for your weight loss. It lowers blood sugar balance. So I got this. And you are supposed to take 2. You're only supposed to take 2. So we're going to lower that blood sugar. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. We're going to get snatched. Yeah, we are. Okay. Yay! Yay! Overnight cream body whipped. Yeah. It's it. This is it. This is, yeah, it is it. This cream, okay, you put this on at nighttime. You put this on your flab that you have hanging like this doorbell. Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner, okay? This is going to get rid of that. It's like, no more people making fun of you with your extra skin that you lost all that weight. So you only put this on at nighttime because this will help you sleep. Oh, yeah. So, but when I get done doing my live chat of the gaming, and then I will put this cream on to get rid of this. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. So no more people making fun of you because you got extra skin. A lot of extra skin because you lost all that weight. And I got a lot of extra skin. Yeah, I do. Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. So definitely, this is not too expensive. I think this is like $44, I think. So, okay. So, it smells nice. Yeah, it is very thick. Yeah. You don't not want to put too much on here. You don't want to waste it. No, you don't. So that's what it looks like. It's a cream. I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to fall asleep. It helps you fall asleep. Hey, Robert, this cream, you got to put this on at nighttime. And it'll help get rid of this flab that I have. And also, it'll help you sleep. It will get rid of all that extra. Even if you don't have flab, if you have a stomach that's bothering you, that stubborn belly fat you cannot get rid of, put this on. Because this will help that and your legs. If you have legs that are just stubborn and won't go down, probably because of the fluid in my legs. Yeah. I got a lot of fluid in my legs. But this will be very good for me. And as soon as I get my scooter, I will be making some money. So that'll be Thursday. Yeah. So we're going to do a video on that. Yeah, we are. So remember, guys, L is for love. Love yourself and love others. Love yourself first. Yeah, you got to do that before you can love others. Remember, we follow God, not people. And I also can take care of this too. And this is not fat. This, you all, if you don't know, this is actually fluid. Fluid in your neck. Yeah. And they're actually a machine where you can drain that out. It's fluid. If you didn't know that, that's fluid. So you can get rid of that. You know. There. Y'all have a great day. And y'all get you some cream. It says, get dreamy. Get dreamy. And then get you some of this. This is what it looks like on the TikTok shop. And it'll last until we can know what's going on with it. So if TikTok don't last, we always got Amazon, honey. And we always got YouTube. YouTube and Amazon is not going nowhere, honey. No. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Oh, and a side note, this don't make you poop. I've been taking things that make you poop. No more of that. Thank God. No more green tea, dandelion tea that makes you poop. No more super gut that makes you poop. I still take Dr. BioCare because it helps with your skin and your bones and everything else. But this don't make you poop, okay? Thank God. We're done with the pooping, okay? Blooper moments.